Good morning. Today I'm headed to Germany.
Hello everyone! First of all, I would like to apologize for missing the regular posting schedule. My laptop died and I didn't have a way to edit my videos. I found a temporary solution though, so for now, we're back on track. Today, we're going to explore Hamburg in Germany. Welcome to Hamburg! Today's episode will be short as I'm only here for 2 days, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of the city. This city has a very long and rich history. During medieval times, it was a member of the Hanseatic League and was a powerful self-governed city-state. Throughout its history, Hamburg has weathered disaster after disaster, from floodings to plagues or even decimating fires, so you might assume that it must be cursed, or just unlucky. However, it's actually quite the opposite. For some unexplainable reason, the city seemed to become richer and more powerful after each catastrophe. Even after being heavily bombed during World War II, it recovered and became richer and more powerful than ever before. It is now the second most important city in Germany. Public transport, safety and commerce all run in a very efficient and impressive way, as is the way in Germany. The city center is a great place for walks and exploration. Hamburg offers something for everyone. From Hamburg Dungeon, which is a horror-themed attraction which explores the history of the city, to the opera, the theater, or the many famous restaurants. There's something here for everyone. Like in most cities in Germany, modern and old architecture mesh perfectly here. See you next time on the Gentleman Voyager. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.